Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Set 60343 and it's the ambulance helicopter transport truck. As you can see, you get this beautiful truck with a trailer and also this beautiful ambulance helicopter. And this is from 2023 to 2024. And there are too many figures in the set. And this also makes a nice addition to your LEGO City display, especially if you want to transport helicopters or vehicles. Too many figures. A female pilot and a male truck driver. And also these sides can stick out like this to warn people or go in. You can see this is what the helicopter looks like. Sorry about that. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment in the comment box below. And please share the links to my videos and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.